Welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art and I am Chandrani. In this tutorial we will learn how to draw a cute tiger character for children book illustration in Photoshop. Let's get started. I have already my rough sketch so that we could understand. For the sketch, draw a small circle, then make a half circle but on both sides from the side of our main circle like this. This will be the face part of our tiger. Draw ears like this. It has fur on its body, so we have to make small curved lines like fur at the edges while making the final sketch. Now make two lines like this to make the nose and make circles on the top both sides of the lines to make the eyes like this. This will be kind of oval shape, or you can give it a nice just a circle, plain circle. For the mouth part, draw two semicircles and join the middle portion like this. Draw the body from the below of the head. Add legs and tail. So our outline is ready. Now it's time to color. Create a new layer and press Ctrl G to make it a group. This will be our head group. So we have to create group for each and every parts of our character's body. You can name it as per the body parts. Select lasso tool and redraw the parts and color them on their individual layers. for the stripe, you can make any of one side first, and simply you can copy and paste the duplicate stripes, just flipping it horizontally. It's time for shading. Select the layer and hit the transparent lock option of that particular layer so that our color will not go outside of that particular shape, and apply shades at the edges of them. To show the realistic fur texture, select smudge tool and apply it at the edges and also where there are two colors mixing to make the hair. You have to just draw the lines like I am doing. It will take time and of course your patience too. So have patience for this. You will find an excellent output, okay? So this was all for today guys. I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video. If you do so, please do like my video. If you are new to this channel and want to learn more about art both digitally and hand drawing, then please do subscribe our channel. If you are already being a subscriber, then thank you so much for sticking with us.